On January 8, 2021, a man was on his way home in his personal vehicle. Unfortunately, he took a wrong turn, causing his car to get stuck on the railroad tracks. Despite all his efforts, he was unable to maneuver. He called 911 in an emergency, and Tampa Police Department officers responded immediately, instructing patrol officers to assist. Within minutes, 2 Tampa police officers arrived on the scene and made contact with the man.
Let me have them tell you. Hold on.
Hello. Hi.
Okay, so
How did this happen?
I'm trying to see where my girlfriend. I need my girlfriend to know where I'm at. Long story short.
We're asking you what happened. Can you get off the phone, please? We're trying to figure out what happened here.
Well, I tried to make this turn, and I thought it was this turn. It was dark, and I made this turn instead. Long story short, is I ended up off the tracks, and that's where I'm at now. So that's why I'm stuck now, and I can't move back or forward at all. I was asking them to send a police cruiser. I wanted them to send me a tow truck to be able to pull me out, but I have trouble in myself.
But it doesn't work that way.
I'm sorry?
Because you're drunk, but it doesn't work that way, unfortunately.
I'm sorry?
You heard me? Sector 3.
I heard you. But that didn't make no sense at all. No, I'm not drunk.
Okay. November, Mike, Quebec 5-3. It's a black.
Okay, so we do have. Alright. I'm on Meridian.
Do you have your
I'm on
driver's
Meridian,
license,
and
registration,
it's not a traffic stop. I called you out here.
In the footage, the man was speaking to his girlfriend on his phone when the officers arrived. However, he was immediately asked to put his phone down, a request that seemed unjustified given that he wasn't being detained or handcuffed. Typically, officers need specific facts to justify a detention based on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. In this case, there was no logical reason to suspect the man of a crime, as it was clearly an accident with no reported injuries or victims. Adding to the situation, one of the officers accused the man of being drunk, solely based on appearance. Despite no mention of alcohol odor and lacking supporting evidence, the officer made the claim.
You know, it's far from memory rights.
It's a crash.
It's not a crash at all.
It is
There's no
a
victim.
crash.
There's no victim. Where's the victim?
Who's the victim?
Who's the victim? Who's the victim?
License,
CSX.
registration, insurance.
I'm sorry?
CSX.
CSX is the victim?
You not see what happened?
They are the victim right now? Are they the victim
They're
right
having
now?
to stop their trains because
No, I know black and white how it goes. Lord, I know exactly how it goes.
Ignorant.
License, registration,
Ain't no means
insurance.
National Lounge. It's all right in there, but I'm not gonna give it to you until I need to.
Right now you need to.
I'm at Meridian and Jackson. What are you doing? Whoa.
She's pulling the knife
Did you
out of
just
your
hit her?
pocket.
The officers insisted the incident was a crash, not an accident, claiming there was a victim. However, the distinction is crucial, as an accident implies no fault. Despite this, they demanded the man's ID for an alleged accident investigation. Under Florida law, a report is required only if specific conditions, such as significant property damage or injuries, are met. In a troubling turn, one officer assaulted the man without warning, leading to an unlawful arrest with the help of her colleague. They proceeded to search his vehicle without a warrant or consent, violating constitutional rights and their own policy, rendering the arrest invalid.
Why did you this? Why did you? No.
Place your hands. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting, yo. I'm not resisting. What are you talking about, yo?
So you just pushed her.
No, I didn't.
Victor.
Are you kidding me?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I called you guys. And I said, the rest of them
Actually, you
called
did.
you? Yes, I did.
Somebody else
No.
called.
I know the 2 boys that called you before school, and then I called you afterwards. Oh my goodness. So I call you for help, and I get arrested. That is crazy.
Riding with me.
You're the aggressive one.
You just pushed my partner.
No, I did.
It's on
just say
video,
how you
so
want.
you can say whatever you want.
That's fine. You're the aggressor. You.
As the person who did not want to provide his information when we got here.
It's all right there.
too late now.
Right
I'm
there.
not your bitch. I don't go to your
No,
car and
I
grab your
called you
shit.
for help. I didn't call you to be arrested. I called you for help. I called you for
Well,
help.
here we are. Maybe if
this
you
is
would
what I
listen
did.
to instructions, you would not be arrested.
No, I didn't call you to listen to nobody. I called you for help. I needed some help. I needed assistance.
Victor 3. We need a 1031 for that Kia. Oof, what the heck?
Huh?
I think alcohol.
Well, we're going to tell this to city for then. Instead of me.
I'm trying to get his.
Yeah.
Well, 28. You heard? 28. So then, inventory. Signal 28, so what inventory? Yeah, so what inventory? Okay. I got the insurance and I got his license, and you have his phone.
The officer provided no warnings and abruptly reached into the man's trousers, claiming to remove a knife without apparent cause. Despite the man not posing a threat and not being detained, the officer violated his Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures. The Fourth Amendment states that people have the right to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects, and no warrant shall issue without probable cause. In this case, the officers unreasonably searched him and his vehicle and seized him through an arrest, placing him in handcuffs in a patrol vehicle. Notably, the officers falsely accused the man of pushing one of them, which is contradicted by the footage showing the man brushing the officer's hand away as a natural response to her attempt to reach into his trousers. Furthermore, the officers demonstrated a lack of good intentions by refusing to loosen the man's handcuffs despite his repeated complaints of pain, revealing a troubling misuse of authority in this encounter.
Handcuffs up, love. This shit hurts. Love, can you look these shit up? Please. Can y'all please loosen these up? These shit hurt.
How do I turn your phone off? How do I turn your phone off?
Huh?
How do I turn your phone off?
I don't know.
What's the password?
This shit hurt.
What's
Can you
behind
hurt
you?
me? Can you
Bridget,
stop
what's
hurting
behind
me?
you?
Can you check my handcuffs at all?
What's the code to turn your phone
I
off?
can't tell you that, yo.
Hello.
There's no big right here, yo. Yeah, can you loosen these up, though, please? She don't know my code either. Can you loosen my code up?
He pushed an officer. So
No, I didn't.
he pushed an officer.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I fucking didn't. It's for you.
Refusing to loosen the man's handcuffs may violate the Eighth Amendment, which prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. This amendment applies not only to post-conviction punishments, but also to the treatment of detained or arrested individuals. The National Institute of Health emphasizes the importance of addressing pain from handcuffs, as over-tightening in violent situations can cause considerable trauma, leading to fractures, lacerations, and nerve injuries.
So you heard it on the phone. This is obviously an accident because your tires have to make contact.
Yeah, because I'm like, I
Right.
can't understand this. I can't.
This is an accident. He hit something that made him end up like that, right? So we asked for his driver's license, his registration, insurance, and he said no. He has a knife right here, and he keeps putting his hands where you are, so I went to take the knife, and he pushed her. So that is why he's arrested. He's obviously drunk. We can't do anything about the DUI. But, like we said, this is a crash, and he pushed her.
Good.
And like, I'm trying to figure out, like, how did this happen? Like,
He won't tell us, so.
It's
Well,
like
why
10
is the
feet
car,
south of
like-
Jackson.
and he pushed you? I
Yes.
can't believe he pushed somebody. Huh?
Well, he's
Alcohol
drunk,
does that to
so-
people.
And he pushed you?
No, he
No,
pushed
me.
her.
No.
So that's why he's going to jail. Car's being towed. And that's that.
That's the only thing he's getting charged with. He's battery on a person also. We can't charge him with a DUI, unfortunately.
So he got lucky in that aspect.
But we do have to tow the car. You wouldn't be able to drive it even.
Why
if,
not?
Right. Even
Why? Why can't drive it?
because it's totaled. The undercarriage has damage. You can't.
I-
You got to get a tow truck to pull that off the tracks. It doesn't just drive off.
Yeah, because he told me something about that, and I just ran down the street. Like, I just put on my clothes and come out here. Like,
Yeah. Unfortunately, there's no way.
you can't pull that out of.
No.
I could.
But then there's damage to the bottom of it.
I could pull it out. I could take it home. I mean, like, not to his home.
Okay. Well, when the tow truck is it your car too? Is that what
No,
you're worried
it's not
about?
my car.
So it's under
His
his name?
girlfriend. His girlfriend. That's his girlfriend. That's her car.
Okay, well then if it's not your car, then
It's not my car.
can't-
My car is down the street.
Yeah, we can't let you take
I don't
it.
have no problems like this.
Right, then we
And I
can't
don't
let-
play with, police officers,
Okay.
and I don't push people,
Yeah.
and I don't do these things.
Okay,
like,
well unfortunately
and
since it's not your car, we can't let you take it. If
I
it,
can't take it.
No,
you can't.
it's not your car.
It's not in your name. It'd be a different story maybe if it were your car, but it's
Can I
just-
call the owner?
No.
No.
He's an adult and these are the
Yeah, I
consequences.
know. He's a big baby.
Trust me, a tow truck is a lot cheaper than the
A
$10,000 DUI that he would have gotten had he been sitting in that driver's seat.
Yeah.
Okay. But now we need to start doing the paperwork and stuff, so.
I'll get out of y'all.
Okay.
Out of you guys.
All right.
way.
Have a good night.
He's in the back. He's getting home.
Good. Okay, well he's being 1015 due to the circuit 4 originally, so it's a crash and it can be ordered this way.
Okay, yeah, I have to do my call Orient Road Jail and see what. You don't have anything to do with the jail. You have to figure out the jail. Google jail and it'll pop up.
But, excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Can I tell my girlfriend something? real
No.
quick? I can't tell her anything?
No.
Why not? You won't wrong with that.
He'll have the
That would be me using my discretion and being courteous, which I don't have to do.
You don't have to. Why not?
Exactly. Because I don't need to. You've given me no reason to go out of my way to do anything for you.
But I'm a citizen.
I don't care. I'm a citizen too.
Yeah, but you work for the citizens. You work for the people, though. You don't care to be courteous to people?
I don't have to be courteous to someone who pushed me.
I didn't push you. Stop it.
It's on video, so whatever. Take it to court.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
You also wouldn't give us the information we asked for,
The
so.
information is all in the car. You all have it right now already. So now what is the issue? Your pride, that's it? You work for the people, and your pride is what makes you...
I work for the city, I don't work for the people.
You work for the people. You work for the people. You pay your taxes. You pay your
I
taxes.
pay my taxes too.
Oh, don't worry. I'm requesting everything. All of it.
Go ahead.
I'm for request everything. I know all of my rights. All of it.
Okay, good for you.
You don't need to read it to me too. Damn. You can't loosen up no cuffs at all. You don't want to treat citizens
We
right
will
at
check
all.
them. Give us a second.
No, second at all. You've had thousands of seconds. So
Well,
loosen
you
up
called
my
your
cuffs.
girlfriend to come over here, so we had to deal with her. I don't know
but
what she's
before
gonna
that,
do.
I asked you to loosen up the cuffs.
No, you
And
didn't.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Where's this from?
You two female cops, you have too much pride. You don't understand she recognizes she works for the damn people, bro. You gotta be prideful about it.
Give this one.
Here we go. Yeah.
It's civil courtesy, man.
Ma'am, step away from the car.
I was just getting his registration.
Okay. Well, you need to put that back.
Oh, I just turned the car off because it was running.
Gotcha. Can I have the keys back?
Oh.
Thank you. You can't go in the car. And we already told you this.
Oh,
We
I
already told
didn't.
you this.
No, yeah, I didn't tell you.
Can you please
I'm
step away
sorry.
now? Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Let me see the cups. If you want me to listen.
There's no purpose of calling off. It's what the open. There's no purpose of calling off. I'll do it myself. If it's the results, people that's supposed to serve protect, they don't come and harass and arrest. Well, I call them. I told Chuck, I have AAA already too, and I told them I have AAA. I'm going to use them. I have 3 more moves I can move on them. I pay for it yearly. Everything is registered. My license, my registration,
Face
everything
forward
is
if you
fine.
want to fix these.
Yes, please. But everything is fine. But you just want your damn. You just want your you want to get your thing for your arrest. You know, like damn. Yes, sir. Don't know the sign.
Eventually, the man was jailed and arrested for battery against law enforcement officers. 2 police officers were also fired as a result of an unlawful arrest in a different case, although it is unclear if they were connected to this incident. On February 8, 2023, a fire broke out in the apartment of a woman named Taylor Brown in Normal, Illinois. Fire officials and officers from the Normal Police Department responded to the fire. Miss Brown agreed to go to police headquarters for questioning, but after being held for more than 40 minutes, she requested to be taken home.
All right, who are you on the phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone, so go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized. So
no.
you're gonna hang up the phone.
Seize my my phone, but
So-
I'm not in custody.
so-
or
so
anything.
listen,
There's
so-
3 of them all around me.
so listen.
FaceTime you for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire is going to be under investigation,
That's fine.
okay? And we're going to seize your phone
Why?
because the fire is under investigation.
I need to know why my
So you can hand me the phone, or I can take the phone.
But I need to know why my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's being.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone.
So the fire is going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here.
You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone, and I can take you home. Yep.
So, no, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 4 a.m. I can't go without my phone. Well, if I do the interview,
You can go do the interview, but your phone's going to currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here?
Nope, we're not going to do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm going to take the phone. That's how this is going to work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
She said hang up the phone and they're going to take the phone because at this point I'm being threatened.
it's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my
So,
phone is being taken.
so the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me.
What does that have to do with my device?
So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to interrupt you and I've been this calm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take
That's
it.
what I'm asking you. I'm
So if
asking
you-
you a reason.
so
I'm
if-
not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but...
Do you want to give an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized. Because she said she could take me home, but without my phone. That doesn't make...
The officers seized Miss Brown's phone during the apartment fire investigation, claiming it was necessary. The Fourth Amendment generally requires a warrant based on probable cause for such seizures. The officers cited exceptions, including exigent circumstances, but it remains unclear what evidence they had to justify seizing the phone without a warrant. Miss Brown filed a lawsuit, revealing the officers' attempt to obtain a post-seizure warrant, which was not approved. This suggests a lack of probable cause initially. Even if lawfully seized, the officers would generally be prohibited from accessing the phone's contents without a separate search warrant.
So are you going to talk to the detective?
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now. Because it seems like
That the question. No,
it seems like he's being petty because he woke up and I won't do the interview.
So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the detective or no?
How long is the phone being
I don't know. That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before I get
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my phone is
Nope.
being seized.
Go ahead and hand me the phone.
Are you a black woman?
We're going this way.
They're white. I expect it from them.
All right.
You're black, dude.
Okay.
The officers attempted to confiscate Miss Brown's phone and used force to subdue her when she resisted. Using physical force against a non-threatening person to seize lawfully owned property is considered a constitutional violation. In Illinois, resisting or obstructing the authorized action of a peace officer is a Class A misdemeanor. However, obstruction charges do not always require physical acts, and refusing to surrender seized property may fall within this scope. However, it is likely that if the officers did not have reasonable suspicion to seize Miss Brown's phone without a warrant, she could not be convicted of resisting an unauthorized police action.
You also kicked me in the head, so.
I came down here willingly because I trusted you. And look at what you're doing.
Are you willing to provide a statement or no?
What does that mean?
Are you going to talk to me if we go back there or not?
You are forcing me to.
I'm asking you if you're going to provide
But you're
a statement.
forcing me to.
I can't force you to talk.
You're taking my items.
I'm seizing this for now, yes.
What does that
Do
mean?
you want to provide a statement?
My detective, I need to talk to her. I need an attorney present.
Okay.
I need a lawyer.
You can take her to jail.
All right.
Take me to
Where's
jail.
her property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God! I didn't aggravate you. You
You kicked
assaulted me.
Okay, so relax.
You assaulted me. I'm 18 years old and you assaulted.
After handcuffing Miss Brown, the officers charged her with resisting an aggravated battery. If the court finds the seizure of the phone unlawful, as discussed earlier, it is unlikely that she will be convicted of resisting. Aggravated battery is applied when an officer is harmed or insulted in the line of duty. Unlike charges of resisting, The court accepts an officer acting in good faith, regardless of subsequent constitutional considerations. Had Miss Brown made physical contact, she could have faced battery charges.
I'm aggravated. I wasn't resisting arrest. You didn't say that I was under arrest.
I asked you, so listen, I asked you to provide your phone and you refused, okay? When you
you didn't give me a reason.
No, I said your phone was being seized.
I asked you the reason.
You several times
I trusted you. That's why I came.
You did not hand me your phone. Then we took your phone.
I came here
you kicked several
willingly.
officers. You're going to jail.
I kicked you out because you all were manhandling me. I couldn't move. I was scared.
We don't really kick police officers, but...
I was scared. Hello, you would do the same thing. Why is my stuff being seized? You told me I was coming here for an interview. I came here under false pretenses. That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no? Do you want to go?
Let's go. Let's go to the cage jail, wherever we're going. I need to make a call. I did one call. I know that much. I resisted because you gave me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason. And it was an aggravated assault. It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's way. And that's the situation that you put me in because I thought I was coming for an interview. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone. Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You did lie to me.
I did not lie to you.
You told me he was here when we got here. You told me I was doing an interview and you would take me home. Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? There was a fire at my house. That doesn't matter to you when I'm sitting here talking to you?
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
You weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just yelling.
You were just telling me and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to you?
Miss Brown was taken to McLean County Jail and released the next day without charges related to the altercation. Her phone was returned several hours later. On February 23, 2023, she filed a federal lawsuit against the officers, alleging false arrest, excessive force, failure to intervene, and battery. The lawsuit cites physical and emotional trauma. As of now, the case is pending.